Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will try to understand the split and join functions. As the name suggests, split function will split a specific string, whereas a join function will join a splitted string. Now whenever we split a string, definitely we need to store the splitted string somewhere. So in order to store this, we will firstly create a variable, and the name of the variable could be, for example, elements maybe. So let us give the name as elements. Now let us also give the value, and in between this value we will definitely make use of expression language. And now let us make use of the split method. So in here, if we try to autocomplete, definitely we are able to see the split option. So let us select this option, and in here first of all we need to give a string. Alright, so the string would be, for example, www.steadyeasy.org, and we need to also give the delims. So the split would be done by taking help of a character, and that character in our case would be dot. So whenever there is a dot, a string will be divided into two. So in here, when we will be scanning www.steadyeasy, this particular part of string would be divided into two. Then again, when we will reach .org, again the string would be divided into two. So in total we will have three parts. Alright, now friends, as this elements variable will become an array, definitely in order to traverse this array we will make use of for each tag. So let us make use of for each in here, and let us add in the attributes. Variable would be, for example, temp, or to be very specific, let us give the name as element, and then we will add items, and items would be elements, right? So in here we will read elements. Alright, so this looks good to me. Now per iteration we will try to display the element. So in here again let us make use of expression language, and we will also add in a br tag real quick in here. Alright, now let us run this application on the web server, and here is the output. So our string has been splitted into three parts: www, steadyeasy, and org, and splitting is done based on this delims dot. Alright, now for example, if we wish to join these elements, then again that could be done. So in here again I can type in elements colon, and then we will join the entire set of element and try to create a entire elements, right? And in fact we need to also add in a br tag. Alright, and in here again expression language fn colon join. Alright, and now what is the name of the array? Array is nothing but elements, right? So we will simply pass elements to this method and it should work. Let me refresh this page. There is some kind of issue. Alright, so we need to also specify the delims. That is something we have missed. So in here we will add in the delims as dot. Alright, let me refresh the page. And now here is the output: www.steadyeasy.org. Alright, so this is how the split and join method works. Split and join function works. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching and take care.